Hey, I'm Shivam Lasyal. In this video, I'm going to show you the project which we have made to solve the problem of sharing personal document to an unknown. In today's era, we all have some kind of a personal document which consists of your personal information like your date of birth, your blood group, your address, etc. Sharing this information or sharing this personal documentation to an unknown may lead to your privacy breaches, identity theft, online scams, or target marketing. And we see these activities happening in our surroundings day by day. So, solution for this problem is trustworthy secure degree verification using blockchain. So, we will see the how the project flows go. So, in the proposed system, we have a blockchain which is managed by our college or a university. So university will be generating a student degree and generating hash of the degree and adding them into the blockchain with the minimal information of a student. And this blockchain will containing the record of the student degree in a secure way, so no one will be able to tamper the record. So university portal which is connected to the blockchain and student can access their record through the student portal, and approver which is a student, so student can get their degree and the hash from the university portal. And for a verifier, they will need to submit this hash value in the verification portal and they will get the verification done. So we will see the practical demonstration as well. So for blockchain we are using Ganache, and let's start with Ganache. We'll click on the Kickstart Ethereum and it will take some time to load. And as you can see, Ganache has started successfully the blockchain network. And as you can see, the blockchain network IP and the network ID and the associated account address with their private key. So we have to connect this blockchain network with a MetaMask wallet or a wallet. So we'll see how we'll do that. So I have downloaded the MetaMask extension. So we just add a network into this. So for this, add a network manually. Network name can be anything which you want. Let's say we'll say NFSU blockchain. And the URL will be the IP where is blockchain network is hosted. So it is in a local host with the port 7545. And the chain ID for the local host is 1337 by default, and the currency is ETH Ether. And we'll save the network and switch it to the NFSU blockchain. For making a transaction, we need an account. So we'll import the account from Ganache blockchain. So we need a private key for this, and we'll obtain this from the account address, and we'll click on the key icon and just copy this private key and paste it here. You'll be able to import the account. So as you can see, the 100 ether has been deposited in our account. As we have successfully imported the account, now we will move to the smart contract. So we have written the smart contract into the Remix IDE. So this is the smart contract. Mainly it's having two methods, student add and get student. So in the student add method, the hash value of degree and the name, the student class and the passing year, it takes as the parameter and record into the blockchain. And in the get student, from the hash value, it fetches those other details. So we'll deploy this smart contract in a blockchain. So first we have to compile the code. So we have successfully compiled the code. Now we'll deploy. So in the environment, we have to select inject provider because we have to deploy in this a local network. So, and now it will ask from which account we have to deploy it. So we'll choose account 2, which is having 100 ethers. So now we will deploy the contract in our local chain. So transaction is confirmed. So now we will move to the UI part. For interacting with blockchain, we have two portals. First one is the registered student portal and second is the verification portal. So this is the code for the verification portal from where a verifier can get the verification done. Registered student, this is for the college authority. From there they will be adding the student detail into the blockchain. So let's go into the UI and add some details. So this is a UI for the student registration portal. So for the calculating a hash of a document, we have created a simple Python program which takes your document and some student ID and match it with the public and private key, and simultaneously it stores into the database. So let's run this. So it will ask for the degree or some kind of PDF, and this is the hash which we have calculated. Just add some student ID 101, and this record has been inserted into the database. See this, and copy, and for the just copy the hash value. So here the data has been inserted successfully, student 101 along with the hash value of degree and public private chain. So we'll add the hash value into the blockchain. Student name, student class, test class, passing year 2023. We'll submit. So confirm, and transaction has confirmed. So we'll confirm from the verification portal. So let's see, verify, and we are getting the data on the Ganache blockchain. As you can see, in the Ganache blockchain, the blocks has created for the transaction which we have done.